created, it can be created at that time. Then where is, locate the binary and manual page files for a command. Suppose where is program और command, कोई फाइल आपको नहीं मिल रही है, कोई कमांड आपको नहीं मिल रही है, you can search it out with the where is command, which shows the full path of command where given commands reside. आपकी जो कमांड है जो आपको ढूंढनी है, तो आप उसका फुल पाथ जो है, यू कैन सी दैट फुल पाथ विद द विच कमांड. Then file viewing and editing. Okay, suppose you have created a full file, you want to read the contents of that file, you want to view the full file, you want to edit that file. For that there are various editors. First is Emacs. This is the full screen editor. The full screen पे आपकी जो पूरी फाइल है वो दिखेगी आपको. With the scroll in feature, scroll up and scroll down, you can see your full file. Pico, simple text editor. VI, editor with the command mode and text mode. This is a editor, this is a main editor with the there are two modes in this VI editor. First is command mode, next is your insert mode. With the by pressing the escape we can go into the command mode, and by pressing the escape I we can go into the insert mode. In the command mode, whatever you will press from your keyboard, it will be taken as a command by the VI editor. In the insert mode or text mode, whatever you will write, it will be taken as a text in your VI editor. It generally starts in the command mode. Gedit, this is again GUI text based editor. Tail is one of the command. Look at the last 10 lines of the file. Suppose you have a large file, you cannot see your full file, you want to see the last 10 or few lines of your file, you can use this command tail, TAIL, tail -f, then the file name. If you want to see the 100 lines, you can use this 100. Head, look at the first 10 lines of the head. Suppose you want to see the first 10 lines of your file, you can see that with the head command. Then the file compression, backing up and restoring facilities can be provided with these commands. First is compress. This command will compress your data in your file. Uncompress, it will expand your data. CPIO can store files on tapes to or from the tapes. Gzip, zip a file to a gz file. Gunzip, it will unzip, this is G unzip. Unzip a gz file. Tar, archive files and directories, can store files and directories on the tapes. Then there is a zip and unzip. These all are concerned with the compression and decompression. Then the cat, it is used to view a file. You have created already a file, you want to view the contents of your file. This command is used as cat, then the file name. This is also used in another way. You want to create a new file, it will be used as cat, then space, then this greater than sign, and then file name. It will be your file will be created. After that you have to enter the contents. Then to end the file, suppose you have entered all your data, required data, you want to end, it will be ended by the Control D or Control Z. Sometimes you have created a new your file is existing, you want to append some data at the end of the file, you can also do that with the cat space and double greater than sign, then the file name. You can append your data, you can insert your data at the end of the file by this command. So cat command is used in various ways with the various options for the various purposes. Then CMP, compare two files. Suppose you have two files, you can compare those files, what are the differences, various difference, if they whether those two files are same or not. Then cut, remove sections from each line of files. Then diff command shows the differences between the files. Find the differences between file 1 and file 2. Echo, it is used to display a line of text. Suppose you want to display some text, hello, hello India, hello ye वगैरह वगैरह, whatever. Echo is used to display a line of text. Whatever you want to display on the screen, you have to just write echo, then in inverted commas you can write your message. Merge, it will perform a three-way file merge. You want suppose there are two or more files, you want to merge all those files in single file, you can do this with this merge command. Split, the inverse function of this merge is split. You can split your file in two equal sized segments with the split command. Then grep, grep command, list all files with the specified expression. With the specified expression, suppose grep, this is a command name. Patron you have to give like this SIDBI, मतलब हमें मुझे ढूंढना sidb नाम का जितने भी इस फाइल नेम में लाइंस हैं वो सारे मुझे लिस्ट आउट करने हैं. वी कैन डू दिस with this command. Sleep, delay for a specified amount of time. We want to delay for a specified amount of time, we can do this with sleep. Sort, sort means we can alphabetically sort a file with this command. If we want to sort our file in reverse order, for that we can use the option -r with this sort command. Unique, remove duplicate lines from a sorted file. WC, count the number of lines, words and characters in a file. WC, these are the various options C, W and L. About this file name we want to count the words, lines, right? Then the system management commands. There is a runtime level management. We can exit, with the exit command we can terminate the shell. With halt, stop the system. In it we can process control initialization. Log out, log the user of the system. Then power off, bring the system down. In reboot, reboot the system. Run level, list the current and previously run level. These are various commands for the system management. Last is shutdown. If your system has many users, use the command shutdown -h plus time message, where time is the time given in minutes until the system is halted. For what time you want to, you are halting your system, you want to tell the other users, and the message is a short explanation of why the system is shutting down. Suppose for example shutdown -h plus 10 seconds के लिए we will install a new, this is the message we want to display for the users. We will install a new disk, system should be back online in 3 hours, right? Then these are the various system management commands like password. We can set a new we can set a user's password. Existing password can be changed with this password command. Then the quota, display users limits and current disk usage. Okay, what how much the disk space they can use, how much the usage is there, etc. Quota off, turns file system quotas off. Quota on means we can on the file system quotas. Quota check, we can check a file system for usage and update the quota.user file. Then ed quota, used to edit the user or group quotas, right? Then SU, single user login. These are various another user management system management commands, and some user management commands are also there. Users, print the user names of users currently logged in. Then the whosoever the number of users are currently logged in the system, it will display all those users. Wall, send a message to everybody's terminal. Suppose number of users are sitting on the different terminals, we want to broadcast a message to every user. We can do this with that with the wall command. Who, display the users logged in. Who am I, print effective users ID. These are user add, we can create a new user, we can update a new default new user, and user delete, we can delete a user account and related files. We can modify a user account also. System date, calendar, CAL, calendar से आपको system की जो date है we can edit that date with this command. Date, कैलेंडर से आप डेट चेंज कर सकते हो. डेट से आपको पूरा जो डेट का फॉर्मेट है यू कैन सेट दैट सिस्टम डेट एंड टाइम. हार्डवेयर क्लॉक, HW stands for hardware clock. Set or read the hardware CMOS clock. Uptime reports how long the system has been running. Linux process management, various processes has been implemented in the Linux. The Linux, all those processes are managed. How those are managed? With the PS command. Get the status of one or more processes. PPID, पेरेंट प्रोसेस आईडी, किसी प्रोसेस का हमें आईडी देखना है, उसके पेरेंट का हमें आईडी देखना है कि अंडर हु विच प्रोसेस दिस इज गोइंग ऑन, राइट. PS tree, display the tree of all the running processes. pgrep, looks through the currently running processes and lists the process IDs which matches the selection criteria to the standard output device. All the criteria have to match. Top, the top program provides a dynamic real-time view of a running system. It can display the system summary information as well as the list of tasks currently being managed by the Linux kernel. These are the BG commands. Start a suspended process in the background. FG stands for foreground. Start a suspended process in the foreground. Kill means, obviously the kill means to terminate. The kill or stop the process with the process ID number 34. Kill all processes associated with the programs whose names are provided to it as the argument by name. We have to specify the name of all the processes we want to terminate. PID, find the process ID of a running program. AT stands for used to schedule a command to run at a particular time. Suppose we want to print the some large file at some later time, we can schedule that task. Network management, the number of users have been logged into your system. You want to communicate with all the users at the same time, or with the right command we can initiate or respond to an interactive conversation with any user. With EOF, end of file, we can end our session. With the right, we can start an interactive session with any of the user we want to, which one is connected to us through the network. Mail, MAIL, read mail or send mail to other users. With this mail command, there are two modes. One is your command, and another is compose. In the compose mode, we can compose our mail, we can forward, we can reply, we can BCC, we can CC our mails to another users. In the command mode, we can only manage our mails at our system only. WALL, wall, write to all the users. We want to broadcast some message to all the users connected. We can write the through this wall command. Then this is the various topics summarize. I want to summarize all the topics I have covered. A command is a program which interacts with the kernel to provide the environment and perform the functions called for by the user. A command is what? It is an instruction given to the system, given to the kernel to provide the environment in which that instruction could be, that function required could be performed. The shell will be set between us and the operating system. It will act as a command interpreter. It will act as a command interpreter, we can say. It will make your command to be executable by the kernel operating system. Redirection. There are the two ways we can redirect our input and output. We can redirect our input and output besides the standard input devices and standard output devices. We can redirect our input to the any of the required file, any of the output to the any of the output file. Then pipes, it is one of the way to string together a series of commands. Sometimes we want to pass the output of one command to another command as the input. We want to pass the output of one command to the other command as the input. For that we have to use the command pipe. Pipes are the way to string together a series of commands. Then the file management and viewing commands, the creation, moving, copying and removing of files and directory. All those commands come under the file management and viewing. Then the file system can be managed by all the commands. Then the system management, in the system management, how the system is initialized, how the system should be shut down, how the system should be power off, system date, time and password can be managed by the system management commands. Then the job and process management, with the foreground, you want to make some suspended process in the foreground, in the background. With all this, you want to kill, you want to terminate all the processes. With all this command we can do that. The network management, communication with other terminals is implemented by under the network management, and the various users can be managed by the umask command. It is the weight assigned to every user. Thanks. This is all about my topic, that is Linux commands. Thank you.